lesson 84, number 18. And this says, write the 4 fourth roots of 16 cis 120 in rectangular form and give exact answers. So I want fourth roots, so I'm going to use demoivre on it. So you take the fourth root of 16. Oh, if only I had my calculator. Well, I know, okay, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2. It's 2. But this is kind of bad because I don't have a calculator. Let me get a calculator. Okay, so, and then I have to multiply, so you take the fourth root of this first number, and then this one you multiply. So 1/4 times 120, I think that's going to be 30. I didn't need my calculator for that. Okay, so then I need to take, I want the 4 fourth roots, so remember we can just use our shortcut that we know. It's the end of the day, I have dyslexia. Okay, so 1/4 of 360 is 90, or in other words, 360 divided by 4 is 90, so I'm going to add 90. That's 120, I think. Add 90 to 120 and get, yes, I'm using a calculator on that, it's very sad. 210 plus 90, 300, I hope, yes, 300. Okay, so I think it said write it in rectangular, write it in rectangular, so each one has its own rectangular form. I guess I can show it down here. So this one, the hypotenuse or the radius would be 2, and it'd be at 30 degrees. And it wants exact, it said exact answers, so that's a 30, 60, 90. So if that's 2, this is 1, and this is root 3. So I could say it went right by 1, so that would be 1 plus root 3I. Because remember the up part is like the y coordinate is the one with the I, and then the first thing you write is the like the x coordinate. So this one would be 2 cis 120. So 120 is over here somewhere. 120, so 60, huh? I think 120 would be like right there, and they give me a 60. So that kind of surprises me. And we've got a 2 here. And if that's 60, that's 30. And so if that's 2, that's 1. That's root 3. I'm probably not showing this nicely. I'm probably confusing everybody. So anyway, we got 1 plus 3I. This is going to give me negative 1 plus root 3I. This one's going to give me negative root 3 minus I. And this one's going to give me 1 minus root 3I. Sorry, that's root 3. So this one should make sense because it went left by 1 and then it went up. Okay, and then I guess I can finish all these. 210, that'd be 180. So that's 30. So this time the triangle right here is going to have 30. Okay, and the hypotenuse is 2, and if that's 2, then that's 1. Wait. If that's 2, then that's 1. Right, because that's 30, that's 60, that's root 3, and so that's why I wrote negative root 3 minus I, because it's going to be down 1. And so this triangle over here is 300 degrees, so if it's 300 degrees, then this little angle right here is actually going to be 60 And if that's 60, that one's 30. And so that means this is the side that's 1. And then this is the side, because that's going to be 2. This is the side that's root 3. So those should make sense for your answers. That's number 18 on lesson 84.